Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the first political party of the state of Jammu and Kashmir, All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference, and its objective. Students, the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference is a right-wing political party which was formed in a convention on Kashmiri leaders that was held on 14 to 16 October 1932 at Patthar Masjid Srinagar, Khankai Mahalla, under the chairmanship of Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. This convention was attended by Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas, Mirwais Muhammad Yusuf Shah, Mirza Afzal Beg, and the other Muslim activists, while Mirwais Yusuf Shah and Maulvi Hamdani and Maulvi Muhammad Abdullah, they played a very important and key role in organizing this convention. In the gathering of about 50,000 Muslims, Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah was elected as the first president, while Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas was elected as first Secretary General of All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference. The main objective of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference were to organize the Muslims of Jammu and Kashmir, to unite the Muslims of the state, to protect the rights of Muslims, to educate and reform the Muslims politically, culturally, morally, and in terms of civilization. Only the Muslims of Jammu and Kashmir state were eligible for its membership. After the formation of Muslim Conference, some differences were arose between Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah and Mirwais Maulana Yusuf Shah on the issue of Ahmadis' inclusion in this party. Maulana Mirwais Yusuf Shah declared Sheikh Abdullah a Mirzai, which gave birth to consist clashes between the followers of Mirwais Yusuf Shah and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. Certain efforts were made to bridge the gap between these two leaders, but it could not be succeed. And Maulana Mirwais Yusuf Shah to make his own party, Azad Muslim Conference. On the insist of Pandit community, Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah rejected a communal platform and proposed a secular, progressive and democratic agenda for future politics in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The Working Committee of All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference adopted a resolution recommending the change of its name and constitution, enabling people to become members regardless of their regions, caste and color. On 28 June 1938, a meeting of the Working Committee of All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference was held at Jammu, in which Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah moved a resolution suggesting to change the name of All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference to National Conference, which was approved. On 27th April 1939, the Party General Assembly ratified the resolution of the Working Committee. The resolution adopted by the Working Committee was moved in the open session of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference in Srinagar on 10th June 1939. Mr. Ghulam Sadiq was the chair of that imperative session. On 11th June 1939, the resolution was passed with a huge difference of 172 against 4 votes. Hence, on the same day, All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference was renamed as the All Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. a left-wing political party. That day is known as a red letter day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, the National Conference was a secular force and very close to Indian National Congress. After 1 year, it was revived by Gohar Rehman and Mirwais Yusuf Shah in 1940, while Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas shortly rejoined the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference. Its leadership established close ties with All India Muslim League in line with state's accession to Pakistan. Immediately, the approval of the partition plan, Indian Independence Act of 1947, the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference approved a resolution of the accession of the state with Pakistan on 19th July 1947. After the partition of Indian subcontinent, the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference established its provisional government of the liberated part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir under the leadership of Ghazi-e-Millat Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan on 24th October 1947 as Azad Government of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference has played dominated role in the traditional political history of Azad Kashmir. Muslim Conference is chaired by many vibrant personalities including Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah, Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas, Mirwais Kashmir Maulana Muhammad Yusuf Shah, Sardar Muhammad Ibrahim Khan, Sardar Muhammad Abdul Qayyum Khan, Raja Muhammad Haider Khan, Sardar Skandar Hayat Khan and Sardar Atiq Ahmad Khan, while Mirza Muhammad Shafiq Jaral is its current president now. Allah Hafiz until we meet again.